No, I have never been here, and will never be gone. I saw your voice rise up and cut into the heart of the sun. I kissed the lips of a girl. She took her first breath when this world was young. I felt the cold of the air as it burned my empty lungs. And we have never been born, and we will be consumed. And unreality is buried here beneath the truth. And though we've never been here, we will never be contained. And unreality is naked here beneath the moon. So we'll go down to the ocean and wash our memory clean. We'll see the world for the first time through an unburied eye. And though the world will stay the same, and we're certain to die, we'll raise our hands up to heaven and sacrifice our limitations, and the pain and frustration are equal to the bliss of release. And in the eyes of nature we'll live for an eternity. And in the eyes of nature we could never have been born. And when we die we disappear into the eyes of nature. We're here just for a little while, and then our body disappears into the eyes of nature, into the arms of God, into the mouth of indifference, into the eyes of nature. And we're nothing but experience in the eyes of nature. And we'll live forever in the eyes of nature.